Hi, first grade friends. Please write your name at the top of the paper. Today we are working with the vowel team OY. OY says oi. Now most of the time when we hear oi in the word, it is going to be at the end of the word. Let's look at our word bank together. Our first word is boy, b-oy. The vowel team oi is at the end. Our next word is cowboy. I hear oi at the end. Our next word is coy, k-oy. The word coy can mean shy. Our next word is destroy. I hear oi at the end. Then the word below that is joy, j-oy. Oh, but look at this next word. This one doesn't follow the normal pattern. Oyster. So even though it's OY, it is now found at the front of the word. Our next word is royal. OY says oi, but this time you find it in the middle. Then we have to-oys. OY in the middle again. And our last word is voyage. A voyage is like when you sail on a ship and you're going on an adventure. So now that we know our word bank, we are going to match the words with a picture. So our first picture is a picture of toys. Please finger stretch toys. T-oy-s, toys. T-oy-s, toys. And I like to cross off the word once I've used it. Our next picture is the picture of a royal family. Royal. When you're royal, you are part of a king or queen or prince or princess. Royal. Oy, ol. Royal. Our next picture is that girl and she is jumping for joy. She's so happy. J-oy. Joy. Our next picture is a picture of a boy. B-oy. Boy. B-oy. Boy. Our next picture is a picture of an oyster. Now I hear oi at the beginning. Oy, s, t, Our controlled vowel says oyster. Our next picture is a picture of a bear who's being very coy or shy. Coy. K-oy. Coy. All right, my friends, I'm going to leave the rest up for you. Our next words we have left is cowboy, destroy, and voyage. Okay, first graders, please write your name at the top of your paper. This paper is kind of fun today. Our directions say, trace the word, then write it upside down and with your eyes closed. Now we're not going to trace the word because we haven't had the word yet, So first we're just going to write the word, then we're going to flip our paper upside down, and then we're also going to write it with our eyes closed. So the first word we are going to write has an AI vowel team. Remember, when two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. So our first word is rain. A-N. Rain. So we're going to write the word rain. And then friends, I don't know if I can flip my iPad. Let me see what it does when I flip it. Ooh, now we're going to write it upside down. Rain. And now this one's going to be hard with our eyes closed. So I'm going to put my pencil where I want to start and do it with my eyes closed. Ready? Close my eyes. Rain. Oh, hey, look at me. I stayed in the box. That's pretty fun. Our next word is coin. K-oi-n. Coin. And when I hear oi in the middle of the word, most of the time it's going to be oi. So first I'm going to write the word k, oi, n. Then I'm going to put my paper upside down. K, oi, n. Then I'm going to write it with my eyes closed. So I'm going to get my pencil ready where I want it to start. And then I'm going to close my eyes. K, oi, n. Coin. Ah, I stayed in the box again. Awesome. Okay, our next word is haul. Like when you pull something that's really heavy, you haul it, or you'll attach your truck to your trailer and your truck will haul your trailer. Haul. 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 Upside down. Oh, it flipped on me. Haul. And this time with your eyes closed. Start my pencil where I want it to, closing my eyes. Haul. Our next word has the AY vowel team. And the word is day. D-A. Day. So I'm going to write the word day. D-A. And when we hear A at the end, most of the time, it's going to be AY. Now I'm going to ask you to pause the video. You'll flip your paper, you'll write it upside down. You'll flip your paper back, and then you'll write it with your eyes closed, and then push play when you're done. Way to go. Our next word is toy. T-oy. Toy. T-oy. And when I hear oi at the end of the word, most of the time it's going to be O-Y. All right, pause the video, write it upside down, and then with your eyes closed. Our next word is saw. S-aw. Saw. S-aw. And when I hear aw at at the end of the word, it's going to be most of the time AW. Pause the video, write it upside down, and with your eyes closed. Our next word is the word tail. An animal sometimes has a tail. T-A-L, tail. T-A-L, tail. Pause the video, upside down, eyes closed. Ready, go. Our next word is soil. S-oy-o. S-oy-o. Soil. Pause the video, write it upside down, and with your eyes closed. Our next word is flaw. Like when you make a mistake, it can be called a flaw. F-O-A. F-O-A. Flaw. Please pause the video, write it upside down, and then with your eyes closed. And our last word is boy. B-oy. Boy. B-oy. Boy. Please pause the video, write it upside down with your eyes closed. When you're done, make sure your name is on your paper. Top basket, move into Lexia. Way to go.